Yeah.
If someone were producing their own extract and they wanted to use it in their fragrance, what's the legality of that? Would you, I mean, obviously here it might be slightly different to Europe, but would they be allowed to produce their own absolute and include that in a fragrance or sell to profit?
Under current law, do you mean in terms of safety and things?
Yeah, in terms of IFRA and all the regulations, you were selling it in.
Well, IFRA are guidelines, and unless something is actually banned, yeah, or restricted, then you're able to use it.
So if it's not on the list at all because they don't know about it,
then it should be okay. Yeah? But this is not good news because what's happened now is we have a thing called Codex alimentarius, which at the moment applies to drugs. Yeah? And then will apply to vitamin supplements. And it reverses the thinking. It says you can't use something unless it's in the list.
With what country are you talking about? Thailand?
No. This is the WHO that back this. And if you join Codex alimentarius, yeah, you can't deal with another country that's not in the system. Yeah. So the danger. This is a side issue. The danger with this is, for example, I'm a consultant with a company in Thailand who produce kaffir limes oil. About 5 or 6 years ago, I contacted FEMA, the Flavor and Extract Manufacturers Association in the US, to try to get a GRAS number, generally recognized as safe number. And they said, sorry, you have to apply through your country's organization. Well, because there are very few, there's not a big perfume industry in Thailand, there is no national body. So they said, well, then you have to contact Singapore, which is your closest. And so we contacted Singapore, and they said, sorry, we won't deal with any country outside of Singapore.
That's nice.
Yeah? So if Codex alimentarius comes into being, you will not be able to eat green curry.
So what did you do? What did you finally do?
Well, no, we're still in number. They suggested we just use the normal lime, yeah, grass number, yeah, which is not correct. But under Codex alimentarius, if this eventually applies to cosmetics, as it probably will, yeah, then we have an interesting situation. It's a disaster, yeah. I mean, if you go on the internet and look it up and YouTube, you'll find people talking about 2 billion people will die because of Codex alimentarius.
What's the name of it?
Codex alimentarius. It means a list of food ingredients, basically.
Why would 2 billion people
Because things that you're, they won't be able to sell, yeah. They won't be able to eat it legally. Yeah. Well, it sounds like a joke, but it's now law. Yeah. And things like vitamin C, yeah, you will probably have noticed it's much harder to find like 1 gram capsules now. Yeah, because the limit on vitamin C will eventually be reduced to 100 milligrams.
Certificate?
Yeah. Yes.
And this has just sort of slipped under the radar, the world's radar. Pretty much.
L-I. Thank you. Is that all right? Yeah. Sorry? Oh, I see. That one, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, alimentarius.
Is it international or?
The WHO, the World Health Organization. So international, 169 countries or something silly. Yeah. Okay, so more cheerful aspects of perfumery. Yeah. Alimentarius. US, yeah. Yeah. Thank you. So Codex means list, and that just means food. Yeah, food list.